Issue talks about the installation of the bead. Click the flat button on the sewing interface. Bring the flat to the closed position. The bracket is then mounted on the flat module. It is important to note here that the bead must be in the middle and small bead. If there is any deviation, for fixing screws can be loosened for fine adjustment. After installation, next we need to remove the presser foot. We need to click the presser foot button in the control panel. Drop the presser foot, then use the corresponding screwdriver. Unscrew the fixing screw of the presser foot. Remove the presser foot, so the hardware part comes to an end. Next is the system settings. In the control panel, click on the menu options in turn. Parameter management, pre-level settings. The password set at level 3 defaults to 123,456. Find item 19 in the options bar. Press a foot motor switch. Close it, save it, and exit the settings page. Then click the menu option from the home page. Click on shortcut parameters in turn. Turn on the two replication options of 53 and 61. After entering the data typing option, for feedbacks, use the null one-line trace type. After saving, we can see there is an extra red mark in the lower left corner of the schematic. This mark is the return function logo. If it is a real bug, be sure to pay attention. Only track type 1 can be selected. We choose track 1 to save. At this point we can see the stitch diagram on. The stitch went up, no backboard display, so we went back to typing. Change the number of lip fixation needles to 0. That way the stitches don't go up, so you can only choose the stitch type of known 1. The fixed lip value is 0. The flat function can be used normally. So let's take a complete look. How does a flat work?